Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda CRV key battery. This simple do-it-yourself task can save you time and money. You will need just a few basic items: a fresh CR 2032 3-volt coin battery, and a small flathead screwdriver or your vehicle's mechanical key. Having these ready will make the process smooth and quick, taking only a few minutes of your time. First, locate the small release button on the back of your key fob. Slide this button and carefully pull out the hidden mechanical key. Next, find the small slot or notch on the key fob's edge. Insert the tip of the mechanical key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the tool to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery inside. Take a moment to observe how it is positioned, noting that the positive side, marked with a plus sign, typically faces upwards. Gently remove the old battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 3-volt coin battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, ensuring they are securely sealed. Slide the mechanical key back into its slot. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking, unlocking, and the panic button, to confirm it is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.